What is up, guys? Welcome back to JBADV. My name is Jacob. In today's video, we're going to be installing some more quad locks. This time, we're going to be installing on the Fiance Z650. That's right, Pauline's getting it on her Z650. You could probably see her in the background right now. She's unboxing it all up. If you guys want to see a more in-depth tutorial on how all this gets actually installed and my whole setup process on my CRF 250L, that's a way more in-depth video. I actually unbox everything and show you what we bought and whatnot. I'll link that up in the corner. But what we're going to do today, I'll probably show a little B-roll coming up here in a second of her installing it in some 1, 2, 3s. I mean, you know how it goes, and we'll just get it quickly installed on her bike. The plan is to, since we did it on my bike, we kind of know the process now, so we're going to try to get it on her bike real quick. It's a pretty nice day right now, a little breezy, but maybe go for a quick ride around town just to test these out, make sure they're charging, so on and so forth, see how navigation works. Never had anything like this on my bike, and I didn't get a chance because I ran out of daylight, if you guys saw that in yesterday's video. So yeah, we're just gonna cut to this, install it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and enjoy some footage.
Perfect.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of footage of us installing it on her bike. Looks really awesome, and fun fact, if you guys watch my other one, you'll know that I actually didn't end up using all the different mounts that I bought, like all the little adapter pieces that I bought for my bike, and we ended up using like none on hers too. So I have a bunch of additional adapters, but you know what? If I ever get a different bike, or she ever gets a different bike down the road, at least I have them. And you know what? And you guaranteed if we didn't buy them, we would have needed them. So either way, I'm really happy with the install on both of these. Right now, my phone is charging, I believe. I don't know if it's going to pick up. Yeah, yes it is. It is charging. I don't have a GPS on now. I know where I'm going. But she does behind me. She's just checking it out. She says it's pretty cool. I can only imagine what it looks like. Really what I got this for was that way I can A, have GPS and stuff, B, see who's calling me and stuff without having to reach over and look at my watch or anything. But also what's really cool is that I'll be able to run some off-road apps. So when I go in some woods I don't know, hopefully I can pick up some trails and stuff that I don't know are there, and hopefully I could find some guidance. So that's really the real reason why I got it, which is pretty cool. I've always looked at those like little trail tech things. I think they're called like the Vapor or something. I don't honestly know, but they're like a few $100s, and they don't really seem like they would do any more than what my phone would do. So far, we're really happy with these so far, and after running this all day with my phone in the quad lock case, I actually really like the case. They have a bunch of different mounts, so go check them out at Quad Lock. Like I said, I was not sponsored in any way and I wasn't paid in any way to you know, give you guys some type of review or fancy video on it. I just really think it's a badass product, so that's really why I made the video. We're just gonna go on a little ride just to test this out, so I think she's liking it. You liking it back there? Oh, there you are. I'll let you go in front of me. Well, she said she likes it, so hers got off-centered mounted over here more, as you guys saw in the video, which is pretty cool. I mounted mine like this. I kind of wanted more of a landscape feel on my handlebars. Down the road, I do plan on getting different handlebars, so this middle bar wouldn't be here. Without this middle bar here, it would be mounted exactly where I want it, which is actually down and forward still, just a little bit more. But once we get the Pro Taper bars, that will obviously be a thing. We'll be reinstalling it back on the Pro Taper bars, but yeah, it's pretty cool. I actually really enjoy the way I wired it on her bike as well as my bike. So yeah, overall, like I said, guys, I know I'm just kind of rambling now, but that's why you guys are here. You're here to hear me ramble, I think. Well, I hope so, anyway. So yeah, it's nice to get out on a little bit of a ride. It's actually kind of chilly, I'll be honest with you guys. I put the thermals back in the jacket. I've actually put the thermals in and out of this jacket, I think like 3 or 4 times now. She's done the same thing in her jacket. It's crazy. We're halfway through May here, and and I'm still cold. It's I don't know what the deal is here. You know, it's either 30 degrees in the morning, and then all day it snows, or it's 70 degrees, 80 degrees, and it's heavy rain all day. So it's a lose-lose currently with the wacky weather. So as we ride around here, guys, kind of aimlessly, just kind of picking and choosing roads. I don't know. I just kind of keep going straight until I feel like turning again. That's kind of the way I ride here when I go on these aimless rides at night. But I wanted to explain, a lot of you guys have been commenting or reaching out through DMs and so on and so forth regarding no videos in the past couple weeks. Oh, okay, see ya. See you later. So no videos for the past couple weeks, and I hear you guys. So over on one of the Discord pages, I have mine down below, and you know, it's not as popular as anybody else's, but I'm actually over in Dork in the Road's Discord page. Go check him out on YouTube as well. I always love giving him a shout out because he's a really awesome dude. And but over there, you know, I was talking to everybody else, and when I started this YouTube channel, it was right around the time that I bought this bike, right after I bought this bike actually. And when I started the YouTube channel, this is when the COVID thing started, and God, I hate bringing up that word, but I did it. I'm sorry, guys. But you know, when this whole thing started, I'll say, I got laid off. And it was a perfect excuse for me to be like, you know what, we're starting the YouTube channel, I want to do it, this is the perfect chance, and I did it. And that's when I banged out all those videos all at once. It was great. And then I got hit with, hey, you're coming back to work, and I got hit with 70+ hour weeks back to back to back, and you know, it's pretty crazy. So here I am, things are starting to calm down again. I work in construction, so everything was held up, and now then when it went, boom, it exploded. We went back to work, we were working late, trying to get some jobs that were late done, some jobs that were pre-existing, already started, getting them finished, so on and so forth. You guys can only imagine if you work in construction yourselves. Drop it down below if you do. And you know, so now that things are starting to flatten out, so to speak, and we're starting to get caught up on construction, I have a little bit of free time again. So I am getting more active again. I just posted up on Instagram today, so check out the Instagram if you haven't. I am trying to post up there a little bit more regularly again. Just overall, just getting back into the flow of social media. So you guys should see a couple good amount of videos coming at you, healthy, you know, healthy dose of videos. You should be seeing, I think we're gonna get some decent weather after the next couple days of rain, so should see some trail ride. It's, you know, as long as the woods aren't slop, should I say. But they probably will be. They'll be a muddy mess, but it'll be a fun trail ride video, needless to say. So, you know, definitely stay posted to the YouTubes. We're gonna be throwing some more videos at you. Don't worry, guys, I didn't go anywhere. I'm not sick either. I do feel pretty good. Not gonna lie, feel pretty good. A little chilly right now, but pretty good. So thank you guys for watching, you know, sticking around, clicking on this video. There's many other people to watch, but somehow you guys click on mine and you want to hear my voice and you want to ride a passenger with me, and I cannot thank you enough. Maybe by the time this video is posted up, we hit 250. I'm not sure. And I told you, if you guys have been following me from the start, if we hit 250, we got to do a giveaway. So we got to start thinking of what to do. The giveaway won't be anything too crazy, guys, but you know, maybe like a front sprocket package or something, you know? Some grips, front sprocket, maybe, I don't know, something like that. Who knows? And then hopefully if we keep this trend going, you know, the support that all you guys are giving me, maybe I'll give away a quad lock or something. I don't know. So we're gonna have to think of something here. I've never done a giveaway, so you guys are gonna have to work with me here. But if we hit that 250, I think that's what we're gonna do. So if you guys want to be in that giveaway, I definitely know for a fact that you're gonna have to be subscribed. So definitely smash that subscribe button. You know what I mean? Hit that like button. We're here to have a community. Join it, be a part of it. It's a fun time. I think you're gonna see some of her in front of me, maybe doing some solo videos soon, possibly. We're trying to get a second camera here so we could get her with a camera on the helmet, get her mic'd up. It's gonna be a good time. Wow, this hill is actually really fun to just cruise down. Yeah, this is a lot of fun. So as we mess around here in town, guys, and it's getting a little darker out, I guess I'll close out this video. I don't know how long this video was, but definitely stick around like I said, guys, and thank you so much for watching. We will have plenty of more content coming your way, I promise. Get the f off your phone. I know. So thank you very much for joining me, guys. But as we dodge around town, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I have no idea where I cut any of that because this person's been texting the whole time and we've been honking at her, and it's been a fun adventure. So on that note, guys, take it easy. I will see you really, really soon on the next one, and just be safe and have fun out there, guys. All right, bye.